Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I have a person. He may be come from Moscow, so I want to talk with him. Stay with us. Hello, sir.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Okay. Tell me what you're looking for.
Once upon a time there was a crow, he was very thirsty.
Huh?
He flew about in search of water, but he did not find it.
Find it. Maybe not available here, huh?
At last he reached a garden.
Huh? Like this.
And there he saw
Huh?
a water pot.
Huh?
He think that there is a water,
Huh?
so he drink it
Huh?
and flew away.
Sir, the thirsty crow has been flew. So, and another bird you see or not?
Most respectfully I beg to say
Huh?
that I have